In today's video, I'm going to teach you download from Revit's built-in library. If you're new to Revit or just streamlining your workflow, this is one of the quickest ways to bring high-quality content into your projects. Revit installs a large library of families on your computer, which means you already have doors, windows, furniture, plumbing fixtures, and more ready to go without downloading anything from the internet. Families in Revit are reusable components saved as .rfa files, and they come with predefined types, sizes, and parameters that help you model accurately and consistently. Let's start by opening your project and heading to the Insert tab. There, click Load Family. This command opens the file browser so you can access the content Revit installed with the software. Think of this as your gateway to the built-in library. In the file dialog, browse to the libraries folder. You'll see organized categories such as doors, windows, furniture, and plumbing fixtures. These folders mirror real-world building components and make it easy to find exactly what you need. Depending on how your software was installed, you may also see separate folders for different units, such as Imperial or Metric. Choose the unit system that matches your project template to ensure sizes and types appear as expected. Inside each category, there are subfolders and clear file names to help you pinpoint the right content. If you're unsure, use the preview pane to get a quick visual of the family before loading it. Once you've found the family you want, select the .rfa file. You can select a single family, or if you're building a library quickly, hold Ctrl to select several related families at once. When you're ready, click Open to load it into your project. Revit may prompt you to pick specific types within that family, like different sizes or configurations. If you know what you need, select only those types. Otherwise, loading all types is fine, and you can pare them down later. After loading, the family becomes part of your project and can be found under Families in the project browser, organized by category. When you activate the relevant tool, like door, window, or component, you'll be able to choose the newly loaded family and its types from the Properties palette. A few helpful tips as you work. Keep your project lean by loading only what you need. Name and organize your content consistently, and remember that older families will upgrade to the current version when loaded. If you encounter missing textures or materials, those can be adjusted later in the materials browser. That's it, quick, reliable, and built right into Revit, so you can focus on designing rather than hunting for